Theorems on triangles. Theorems on triangles. First one is Thales theorem, or we can say basic proportionality theorem. Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Let us see here the diagram. In this diagram, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, now you see here A, B, C, this is one triangle. ABC is a one triangle. Now here DE, this is one line. So a line is parallel to BC. DE line is parallel to BC. So Thales theorem statement, according to the statement, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, to intersect the other two sides. So this line intersect other two sides, that means here AB and AC intersect the other two sides in distinct points. The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So here we have to prove that the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So first what we have to write here, given point we have to write. So what are the given points here? In triangle ABC, given in triangle ABC. So here triangle ABC. So here DE is parallel to BC. DE line is parallel to BC. DE line is parallel to BC. Then to prove that, here AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. What we have to prove here? AD divided by DB, then this is equal to AE divided by EC. Okay. Then next we have to take here construction. Join BE and CD. Join BE and CD. Join BE and CD. And then draw EN perpendicular to AB. EN perpendicular to AB. EN perpendicular to AB. So here EN is perpendicular to AB. EN is perpendicular to AB. And DM is perpendicular to AC. DM perpendicular to AC. DM perpendicular to AC. Next we will go to proof. Here we know that formula, area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. This formula is there. So area of a triangle, that is equal to half into base into height. Now what we should do? First we should take here area of a triangle ADE. Area of a triangle ADE. This triangle will take first here. Area of a triangle ADE. Area of a triangle ADE divided by area of a triangle BDE. So this is equal to area of a triangle ADE, this one triangle. Next, area of a triangle BDE. So area of a triangle, so you know that formula here, half into base into height. Now in this triangle, area of triangle ADE, in this triangle ADE, so first here according to this formula we should write here half, then base. Here in this triangle AD is the base, and EN is the height of this triangle, So here we should take here AD, that is the base of a triangle, then into height EN. We should take a EN here. Then whole divided by, then area of triangle BDE, So in this triangle first you should write a same formula, area of triangle, that is half. Then base you should take a here DB is the base of this triangle, DB is the base of triangle. So here you should take a DB into, now see in this triangle height, what is the height of this triangle? So you can take here EN. Okay, EN is the height of this triangle. So we can take here EN. So next point, so here half cancel it, then EN cancel it. So this is equal to AD divided by DB, So this point you should write first. Next point we will take area of a triangle ADE whole divided by area of a triangle CDE, Same procedure we have to follow here. Area of triangle ADE, you see in this figure ADE. What you took in previous one, same only you should take ADE. So here we should write here half according to the formula, half. Now base you should take a AE, this side you see AE as the base, and DM is the height of this triangle. So first time we took here AD as the base and EN is the height of this triangle. So in next time we should take a AE as the base and DM is the height of this triangle. So here we should write here, what we should write, AE into DM whole divided by, next area of triangle CDE, In this, what is the base here? EC as the base. So here you should write half into EC into what is the height here? Height we should take a DM. DM is the height of this triangle. So here we should write DM. So now half cancel it, DM you cancel it. So this is equal to AE divided by EC. AE divided by EC. So this is the second point. Now next step you see here. Now here DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Now here you see triangle BDE, BDE and triangle CDE. These two triangles are standing on the same base DE, or we can take a BDE. This is one triangle. Next, area of triangle CDE. So these two triangles are standing on the same base in between parallel lines DE and BC. That means here area of this triangle, area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. That means here third point we should write area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. So this is the third point. Now here, because why these two are equal? Because triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on the same base, same base DE, and between the same parallels, BC and DE, Now see here from 1, 2 and 3, from 1, 2 and 3. Now here you see area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. Area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. So here area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE. In place BDE we can write area of triangle CDE. That means here these two it become same. Okay. Area of triangle will write better. Area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE, that is equal to area of triangle, what is here, CDE. Area of triangle CDE. So this is equal to what we got here, AD divided by DB. This is first one. Then now see here second point, area of triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE divided by, this you should write as it is, area of triangle CDE. So what we got here, second point, that is AE divided by EC. Now see here LHS side, area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CDE is equal to AD by DB. Here area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CD. Now LHS side equal here. So that means here we can write it as LHS side equal means RHS also equal. Okay, so this implies AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Okay, this is from 1, 2 and 3.